Best flu remedies backed by scientific studies. If you're looking for safe, all-natural, and fast, cold or flu relief for your family, try these top research-proven home flu remedies. You're feeling those dreaded signs of a flu bug. Some of us, upon feeling that tickle deep in the throat, will opt for flu treatments involving a prescription for the antiviral med Tamiflu, but is it really worth it? And is it more effective than home flu remedies? Studies show that Tamiflu may shorten the length of a flu by only a day or so, and to do so, it must be taken within the first 48 hours of flu onset in the patient. This means that if you don't get to the doctor fast enough, Tamiflu, among the best flu medicine available, will not help you at all. Furthermore, as with any prescription medication, there can be side effects with the Tamiflu flu treatment. Among them, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, headache, coughing, and other respiratory symptoms, the same symptoms you will experience with the flu. And in the end, you might just be told to go home, rest, drink fluids, and use over-the-counter and home remedies to soothe your flu symptoms. Now how much did I pay for that advice? Home flu remedies, treatment is available, and backed by science. Fortunately, you do have other options to treat the flu at home. There are effective and natural flu remedies you can utilize at home, and we discuss them below. One major advantage of using one or more of these home flu remedies is that you can begin your treatment protocol much sooner than if you wait to go to the doctor. Most people think for the first day or two that they just have a cold. Often, by the time they finally determine it's the flu, schedule an appointment, and get into the doctor's office, the virus has fully manifested itself. But with these natural remedies for cold and flu, you can begin your treatment protocol immediately upon feeling that scratchy, sore throat, runny nose, cough, and/or body aches. If it's just a cold virus, these home flu remedies will help it as well. And by getting your flu treatment going immediately, it will lessen the flu symptoms dramatically and shorten the duration. Here are the top natural home remedies for the flu. You should have one or more of these in your medicine cabinet before the flu or that cold hits you. 1. Oregano oil for flu and cold. Traditional healers since ancient times have used oregano extract as a natural remedy to treat respiratory issues such as coughs, colds, flu, sore throats, and bronchitis. Based on notable research studies, the volatile oils in oregano, thymol and carvacrol, have antiviral, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties. In addition, oregano oil can help calm down stomach upset and aid in digestion by stimulating bile flow. Therefore, symptoms of nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea can be remedied by using the oil. Oregano oil is also one of the best home remedies for flu because it promotes sweating, which makes it useful to bring down a fever. When shopping for oregano oil supplements, try to find P73 oregano. Wild oregano P73 stands for polyphenol 73% and is a specific blend of several high-grade medicinal wild oreganos. P73 oregano is also a rich source of natural vitamins and minerals, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, boron, potassium, copper, and manganese, all of which help boost immunity. The adult dosage for P73 oregano oil flu treatment is anywhere between 3 to 20 drops, 4 times per day. Be sure to check the manufacturer's specific dosing instructions. Typically, you'll put 3 to 10 drops in a tablespoon of water, swish it around your mouth and under your tongue for 20 to 30 seconds, then swallow. Repeat this 3 to 10 drop dosage in water once again so the combined 2 mouthfuls will give you 6 to 20 total drops of oregano. You'll want to do this 4 times per day and continue every day until flu symptoms subside. For children 6 to 10 years old, 1 to 3 drops mixed with juice or water once per day will suffice. If the child is more than 10 years old, 1 to 3 drops with liquid 2 or 3 times per day is recommended. The oil also can be used to clear lungs and bronchial passages by mixing it with a base of olive oil and rubbing it on the chest and aching muscles, or by boiling it with hot water or adding it to a vaporizer to inhale the steam. Learn more here: how to take oregano oil. Be sure to read the label of any oil of oregano product other than oregano P73. The primary component must be carvacrol. Other products may substitute with marjoram oil, which is not as effective for flu treatment. FYI. When to seek emergency help. If you have any of the following severe flu symptoms, you should seek emergency help and contact a physician right away. Dehydration. Infants and toddlers experience dehydration faster than adults and need to see a doctor right away if they are vomiting, have diarrhea, or are not eating or drinking. Change in mental status, confusion, lethargy, etc. Difficulty breathing. No improvement after 5 days in adults, 3 days in children. You have another medical issue, cancer or a rheumatoid condition, for example, or are taking medications that weaken your immune system. 2. NAC, N-acetyl-L-cysteine. Another one of the best flu remedies is N-acetyl-L-cysteine, which comes from the amino acid L-cysteine. You can expect to find it sold under the name NAC on the internet or at your local health food store. Interestingly, NAC is most often used in hospitals to treat acetaminophen, Tylenol, poisoning because it binds the poisonous forms of acetaminophen that are formed in the liver. It is a powerful antioxidant that helps boost immunity, reduces respiratory mucus, and helps with breathing in various lung conditions. Research has shown NAC can reduce both the duration and severity of the flu. In fact, in a large study of older adults, only 25% of those taking NAC experienced influenza-like episodes over a 6-month period, compared with 79% in the placebo group. The NAC dosage taken during the 6-month study was 600 mg twice daily. 3. Even those with flu symptoms experienced a significant reduction in illness severity and duration. All subjects tolerated the treatment well. The study's lead author, Dr. Silvio De Flora, commented that administration of N-acetyl-L-cysteine during the winter appears to provide a significant attenuation of influenza and influenza-like episodes, especially in elderly high-risk individuals. Dr. Mark Stengler recommends the following dosage for flu treatment: take 600 mg twice a day for healthy adults, and half that amount for kids during the flu season to avoid the disease. And if you happen to get the flu despite your turbocharged immune system, increase the adult dose to between 2,000 mg and 3,000 mg a day for up to a week. 3. Olive leaf extract. Olive leaf extract, OLE, is an extremely powerful immune booster and flu treatment. The main constituent of olive leaf is the phytochemical oleuropein, and it is loaded with pharmacological activities including antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, anti-cancer activities, antimicrobial activity, antiviral activity, antipolipidemic, cholesterol lowering, and hypoglycemic, blood sugar, effects. Olive leaf extract can be found in capsules, oils, and teas. For flu treatment at home, the capsules and teas work best. When buying a supplement, be sure it contains oleuropein. Adults and children can sip the tea several times per day. For the capsule dose, follow the manufacturer's instructions. 4. Ginger flu remedies. Ginger root, Zinniber officinal, is an herbaceous perennial plant that produces the spice known as ginger, which naturally combats nausea and vomiting, making it an excellent flu treatment. Ginger is so effective at reducing nausea that it is often used to combat the effects of chemotherapy. The National Cancer Institute funded a study involving 644 people who had experienced nausea after one cycle of chemotherapy. Participants were randomly assigned to receive a placebo or ginger in capsule form once a day for 6 days. Participants rated their nausea on a 7-point scale, where 1 equals no nausea and 7 equals the worst possible nausea. By the end of the first day, patients who took the ginger, equivalent of 1/4 and 1/2 teaspoon of fresh or dry ginger, rated their nausea as 1 or 2 points, meaning they had no or very slight nausea. In contrast, those who took a placebo rated their nausea as 4 to 5 points, meaning they had a lot of nausea. For flu treatment at home, you can buy ginger root in capsule, powder, or extracts. Follow the manufacturer's dosing instructions. You can also buy organic ginger ale, with no corn syrup, or ginger teas. Sip the ginger ale or tea throughout the day as tolerated. Homemade ginger recipes are easy as well. Note: do not take ginger root for flu treatment if you take medications for high cholesterol, diabetes, high blood pressure, or blood thinners without consulting a healthcare professional. To be continued. Please watch Best Flu Remedies backed by scientific studies too. Thanks for watching and please subscribe our channel for watching more videos.